Good day, viewers. Out here looking at the old truck today. Most of my viewers have diagnosed my problem as being a starter. I hadn't realized it's 2 solenoids on this truck. This one they say is some kind of relay, so there's another one on the starter. But the first suggestion I've had is climb under there and give the starter a thump. I can't see the starter from up here. Let's climb under the truck and see if we can't find it. I don't know if the key needs to be on it, turned on or off to thump it. First we'll try to find it. I'm probably going to jack the vehicle up. There's not enough room for my big hind end under here. Oh, I see some wires. Should be back here close to the transmission. Darn, what a dinky little starter. I thought it'd be bigger than that. Yep, I see a solenoid up there. That starter is definitely rusty. Whatever this crusty looking thing is. That probably wasn't thumped hard enough. Let's go see, will it start? One thing for sure, it's going to have to be jacked up. There's not enough room under there. Alright, we thumped it with the key turned on. Let's see if that makes a difference. Alright, got the battery disconnected. I guess I'll jack it up. Day's half gone already because I had to go to the doctor's this morning. We try to get a little bit done. Alright folks, I got my truck jacked up in the air. My driveway slopes off to the left a little bit. So that jack stand looks like it's leaning a little bit, but I got some blocks up under the wheels. I think I got it high enough I can get to the starter. And I stuck the jack back under the middle there and just kind of put a little tension on it. In case one of the jack stands was to fail, it might give me time to get out of there. Let's go climb under the truck. I've been under here a couple of times. I'm gonna put my safety glasses on because dirt and rust keeps falling in my eye. I took this metal clamp off the top of the solenoid. Just laid it up there on the exhaust pipe. I sure do need these glasses. It keeps falling in my eye. It looks like a plastic clip over that bolt. Can't really see. I got it off. Well, it looks like there's 2 screws under there. I guess I'll put this plastic clip in my pocket. I don't know if you can see it, 2 wires up in there or not, or whatever's in there. I can't see it. Alright, kiddies, you're looking at my starter. Camera's probably shaking because I'm straining on that bolt. The bolt head's right there. You see it's got two bolts that I can see. One up there goes through the solenoid, and there might be another one on the other side of the solenoid. And this one here, I got the wire, took off the power wire, took off the solenoid, but I can't get these bolts broke loose. Started out with 13mm socket, and that started rounding off. I'm down to I can force a 1/2 inch on there, and it's rounded off too. And I'm just about stumped. I put a lot of torque on it trying to turn it, and all it did was round off the metal. It's either seized in the aluminum there, or they use it's just corroded in there. I couldn't get it to break loose, and now that the bolt's rounded off, I don't have a wrench that'll fit it. Kind of stumped there. What does old Walter do? Couldn't cut it off with a cutting torch. There's a fuel line or a brake line or something right there beside it. Well, it's getting on 4 or 5 o'clock. I'm not going to get her done today. And I got frustrated. That's a dinky little starter. I hope I don't have to take this to a garage to get that starter on. I'm sure they got some kind of special tool, but I ain't got it. I've been through every wrench I got trying to figure out. I thought about getting a pair of vice grips on there. That'd be kind of hard to get a grip on it with this exhaust pipe in the way. And you couldn't get one up there on that one anyway. I couldn't turn it either. Definitely got to be a socket, an impact wrench or something up there. You guys got a miracle suggestion? Walter's gonna have to quit for today.